If you want to call and set up a voicemail on a Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, first of all, we're gonna go to the phone app. Once we go to the phone app, in here we should be able to switch to the keypad, and you want to simply press and hold number 1 in order to speed dial the voicemail. You should be able to easily access your voicemail like that, and then you can usually follow the instructions that you will hear on the voicemail in case you want to make some changes or just set it up in general. Besides that, if you try to use number 1, if you try to speed dial it and you cannot reach voicemail like that, this might be due to the incorrect voicemail number. So we're gonna go back to the home page. You want to tap on these 3 lines here in the upper left corner, and then you want to open settings. Now over here in settings, we should be able to go to the voicemail. Then if needed, select your SIM, go to advanced settings, and then choose setup. And in here we can find the voicemail number. So you can edit it in case it is incorrect. And if you don't know what number you need to enter over here, you can try to contact your operator or service provider or carrier, or you can try to simply Google that information. Leave a like and subscribe.